welcome back to my kitchen. Are you looking for a way to spice up your afternoon tea? Well, today I will be showing you how to do a classic British afternoon tea. So stay tuned and let's get started.
Let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need Crustless white and brown bread, 3 boiled eggs, some mayonnaise, some mustard, 1 onion finely chopped, red chili flakes, some mixed herbs, salt and black pepper, about 2 cups of cooked chicken shredded, spring onion chopped, some smoked paprika, some ham, a round cookie cutter, some shredded lettuce, and some butter, which is optional. First, let's make classic egg and mayo sandwiches. Step 1. Chop the boiled eggs without messing the yolk too much and place them in a bowl. Step 2. Add the chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of mustard, herbs, salt and pepper. And mix until incorporated. Now add the mayo and top with some red chili flakes. Afternoon tea is a tea-related ritual introduced in Britain in the early 1840s. It evolved as a mini meal to stem the hunger and anticipation of an evening meal at 8 p.m. Step 3. Use the round cookie cutter to cut the white bread and top with the egg mayo. Now for the chicken mayo. Step 1. Add the mayo, salt, paprika and black pepper into the shredded chicken and mix until well combined. Afternoon tea is usually served between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. Step 2. Fill the brown bread with lettuce and the chicken mayo. Then cut into triangles. And finally, delicious ham and mustard. Step 1. Lightly butter the bread. I will be using white bread for this one. Step 2. Place a few slices of ham onto the bread and spread some mustard on top of the ham. Top with another slice of bread, then cut. And that's it! 3 delicious sandwiches for the perfect afternoon tea.
Wow! Now this looks fantastic. And I have my cup of tea, so I'm going to enjoy a beautiful afternoon tea with my family. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you all next time. Goodbye!